Hi guys, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. So I am just here to do a super quick video. Well, I say super quick, it probably won't be, but basically I literally cannot believe it. I have hit 15,000 subscribers, which, oh my gosh, I can't believe. So I just wanted to say thank you so much. I literally, yeah, I cannot believe it. I am so excited. So thank you, you know, tons and tons of thank yous to you guys. I so appreciate all of you amazing people who watch my videos and leave the lovely comments, and, you know, obviously my Happy Mail videos that I've just done as well. It's, oh, just amazing. I really just feel like, oh, so lucky. So thank you so much. So as a little thank you, I wanted to come on and do a giveaway video, or, you know, a giveaway. So I have been thinking, you know, how to do this, and what I have decided, so that I can hopefully reach, you know, as many people as I can, there's going to be 3 prizes. So the first prize, so the first name that I pull, and I will tell you details of how to enter and things in a moment. But the first name that comes out, basically, I will gift you 10 digis from my shop. So, you know, whatever digital, you know, files or kits or anything else that you would like from my shop, just, you know, choose the 10 that you would like, and I would then, you know, will then just email them across to you. So that is going to be the first prize. So, you know, hopefully that would be as appealing to as many people as it can be, because of course, you know, you can choose the ones that you would like to have. So that's going to be the first prize for the first name pulled out. The next name pulled out, there is this kit, which I have only just noticed, but I forgot to stitch this around on the sewing machine, and I'd left it out of the envelope, obviously, to do that quickly. So I assure you, by the drawer, this will be stitched around as a pocket. So if I show you, this is the second person who will be pulled out will receive this. So it's basically one of my little kits, and what you get is this beautiful envelope, which obviously I have just decorated up with a whole abundance of stuff. So all of these pretty images, they're all from my Paris Daisy printable kit. And obviously you can see it's got lace and what have you. Attached to the front, or, you know, the outside of the envelope, is just a little decorative flower there, and that's just clipped on with the bulldog clip. And then you've got just various bits that you could obviously tear these off. You could tear off the lace and the bling and things, you know, so that you could deconstruct this and use it in your own projects. And then here on the flap, I've just done a little hole here with a bulb pin, whoops, and just attached one of those little dangly fabric lacy pieces that we did in our mass makes this week. So obviously you can take that off and then use that in your projects. And then on the other side, again, you've got some bits here that you could just tear off and, you know, put them into your projects and, you know, kind of deconstruct the envelope. I just tucked in there a couple of printables. These aren't, you know, finished printables yet. I'm still working on these particular ones, but they're just in there. And then going inside the envelope, oops. So obviously this will also be tucked into the envelope once it's been stitched around. I will put it to one side right now though, because otherwise I will forget to do that. So that was your book page pocket. Then there is one of those fold out booklets. It's just got sort of coffee dyed paper in the middle. I will just point out this is quite sort of torn and rusticy from the coffee dyeing. It doesn't bother me, but I do want to point that out because obviously, you know, it may bother the person who wins it, but I just want to sort of say, you know, that kind of happened, and, you know, I've just glued it down. I thought it would be fine anyway. And then here you've just got obviously a couple of little bits on the back, or what I would deem to be the back. I just popped in a little journaling card again from the Paris Daisy kit, and then on the front again some more of the ephemera pieces there from the Paris Daisy, and some decorative pieces there, lace and bling and what have you. Then you've got a little fold out piece made from just a longish envelope. So again, you've got just a label here, some lace, and then you've got a little pocket in here with, again, another one of the little cards from the Paris Daisy kit. I'm going to stop keep saying the name because, you know, unless I say otherwise, everything is from the Paris Daisy, either the background papers or the ephemera pieces. Then there's this, which is just a decorated little envelope, again with things from the kit, some doily, some bling and some lace trim down there. And then this is an envelope from the kit itself, and it's just tucked in here, and on the front you've just got some lace and some bling. And then inside the envelope I just tucked in all of the remaining pieces from the ephemera kit. So well, as far as I know, it's all of them. I mean, I have to say my desk's such a mess. Who knows whether other pieces got buried in places, but you've got those there. So they all just tuck in there, and that just tucks into the, whoops, the little closure there, and you've got some of the flowers popped on there. So that looks really pretty. And then you've got this envelope, again, collaged up with some bits from the kit. And again, you've got more of the unused pieces from the ephemera. So this is the remainder of all of those pieces from the kit. So I just popped them all in. They're not distress inked or coffee dyed or anything like that, but they are obviously all of them fussy cut out and ready to place in your journals. So touch wood, I have found that I can coffee dye after the printing process. So I mean, touch wood, whoever wins this, if you wanted to coffee dye these, you should be able to, but please do a test run first before just throwing it all into the coffee, but you should be able to. I have never had a problem. So that's that. And then here there's just a largish pocket with, again, just a couple of journaling cards from the kit. And they just tuck in like that, and it's got some lace, obviously, top and bottom. Another element from the kit there, and also here. And again, I mean, I would just glue that down onto a page like that. So that's all the pieces in the first kit. I'll just pop those in like that. Oops. These have just now fallen out. And as I say, obviously the flower as well. So that's the first one. And then the last name that will be pulled out from the drawer will then win this one. So this is bound together with this pretty ribbon, and this here has been made using my memory lane kit. So again, rather than keep on saying all the memory lane kit, everything, unless I say otherwise, has been made using the memory lane kit. So here you've just got like a little ephemera folder, basically, just made using this black cardstock. I've layered up some pieces from the kit and some of my little journaling book plates that are new in my shop. So that's just on there. And then going inside, again, some background pages from the kit and some other bits from the kit. Some lace trim, and then again, I just tucked in a whole bunch of ephemera pieces from the kit. So you've also got a couple of photographs there from my photo printables, and this one again from some of my architecture ones that are a work in progress at the moment. So there and there. Then you've got these pieces from the kit, which again, you know, you can just then use in your journals. I have distress inked all of these, so they're all, you know, ready to go. So they're all in there. And then you've got a little bow here attached with a bulb pin. And then your little pieces that come there with the kit, you've got one of those like long flap envelopes. So you've got a policy envelope closure, and it just wraps around twice. If you didn't want it wrapping around twice, you could just wrap it around once and then, you know, wind it round here and obviously trim your string down. And that just, oh, so pretty. I mean, again, it's just one of the background papers from the kit. It's all been coffee dyed. And then it's got just an element from the kit down there. And then here, that's another one of my little architecture postcards that I'm currently working on. But that's just inside there. So really love how that looks. And it's just been teamed up with this white lace as a sort of contrast, which I think looks really nice. Then here you've just got a little fold out flip. So again, this is just using some more of that beautiful background page from the kit. And it's again just been coffee dyed up. And then an element from the kit down there that I've just glossy accented and stuck on some doily and some lace. So that's that piece. Then this here, this is a part of a collage page. And obviously I would use this as like probably a corner tuck spot. Please excuse the back. Obviously it was a collage page, you know, made on scrap paper. So I would just glue it down on two sides in the corner as a little tuck spot like that. And then you've got sort of elements from the kit layered up on there and some lace trim and some diamante there. Faux diamante, I should clarify. Then here you've just got a little fold out piece, again, just with some coffee dyed card. And then you've got an element from the kit and another element from the kit up there and some lace trim, bit of stamping in the corners just for a bit more interest. And then here you've just got another piece from the kit. This has been backed onto some book page for a little bit more stability. And then I've stitched around on the sewing machine. You've got some sheet music, one of my little dictionary definitions, some of the fussy cut flowers from the kit, and then here some lace trim and some diamante there. So again, I would just kind of glue that on three sides and have that as a top loading pocket like that. And then this here, excuse me, is another piece of the background page from the kit, again backed onto book page for stability. And then here I've just popped on an element from the kit that acts like a little pocket, you know, on its own. Again, this is one of my architecture postcards that I'm still working on, so I've just tucked that in there because that's another pocket. And then you've got another one of my little book plates there, held on with some brads. That one just says memories, and obviously the brads are poking through the back. And again, I would just glue that on three sides and have that again as a top loading pocket on a page. So I love that one, I must say. It's probably my favourite piece. And then I've got another one of those Patricia book page pockets. And again, you've just got an element from the kit and that's been layered up onto some of that sewing pattern paper. And then the piece there. And then here, a couple of flowers from the kit and some lace trim at the top. And obviously it's been stitched around on the sewing machine. And then just a little journaling card that slots in like that. And then the final piece in this one is, again, it's a book page pocket. And then I've just incorporated some of those pretty background pages, one of my little coloured labels, and then another piece from the kit down there. So you've got some lace trim and diamante there. And then you've just got a journaling card from the kit that just slots in there. And again, I mean, I would just glue this down. I would probably have this as a tuck spot, so just on two sides, and use it as a little sort of tuck like that. So that was the third prize. This obviously the second prize, and the first prize, as I said, or the first name to be pulled out will get the 10 digital versions of the kits of their choice. So that's the the prizes. So the giveaway details, obviously it's open to everybody, so internationally is fine. The drawing is going to be next Saturday, so that's the 1st of February 2020. To enter, you need to be a subscriber, and I would love it if you would be able to make a comment in the comments below, please, basically recommending or giving a shout out to another channel, but a channel preferably 500 subscribers or less. It can be yourself, if you have a channel and you just are starting out, it can be your channel. But if you don't have a channel, it can be somebody else's channel, obviously. I mean, ideally 500 subscribers or less, as few as possible, sort of, to really kind of give a shout out to those people just starting out, hopefully. So that's what I would absolutely love as the criteria for, entering the giveaway. I probably won't reply to the comments, so I'll just kind of put that out there now. Yeah, I probably won't reply to them. And I will do the drawing next Saturday, i.e., you know, the 1st of February. So that's running for a whole week. And just a quick note about the giveaway. So I will mark the video as closed, you know, when I am about to do the draw. I will obviously do the draw on one of those comment generator things online. And then I will obviously need to, you know, put the video up. Now, I know I've said this before, sometimes my videos do not upload, you know, very quickly. They can take hours and hours. I mean, sometimes I've even been to bed, you know, with one uploading and it's still not uploaded the next day. Clearly, you know, that's a problem with those videos when that happens. But what I'm saying is, I just want to put it out there. I will 100% be doing the drawing. You know, once I've marked it as closed, I will be doing the drawing and obviously videoing it. But if the video is not up there, you know, for straight away or whatever, or, you know, that day, the drawing has taken place. It's literally just, I'm struggling to put the video, you know, get the video to go up there and, you know, then put the title in the description and all those things that you need to do. You know, in a timely manner. So yeah, but I mean, yeah, be sure that the drawing will be going ahead on that day, and when I've marked it as closed, that's when the drawing will happen. So I think that's all the details for the drawing, and again, I just want to say a massive thank you. I can't believe how lovely you guys are, and I know I said it in my Christmas video, but you know, without wanting to drivel on, you know, you really have become the biggest thing in my life, you know, next to my family. So I just can't thank you enough. And also one last thing, I just want to say thank you so much to all you lovely people who, you know, commented at the end of the 3 in 30 alphabet challenge when the series ended. I was so touched by how many lovely, kind comments there were saying, you know, how gutted that they were that the series had come to an end. So yeah, I really do appreciate all your support. You know, that made that series what it was. I mean, obviously, if I had done the series and nobody had watched, it would have been pointless to me. So, yeah, I just want to say thank you so much, because that's what makes everything worthwhile, is you lovely, you know, lovely guys out there, you know, supporting the videos and the channel and the series and, you know, everything else. So, yeah, thank you so much, and good luck to everybody, and yeah, look forward to everyone hopefully finding some lovely new crafters out there from your comments, and yeah, have a great day everybody, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks then, bye.